Hey guys, this is my first package from somebody that watches my channel. Um, I want to thank this person personally, so thank you so much. I'm really going to enjoy this. Hey guys, I got a package in the mail today from someone. Um, this person told me that they were going to send masks. They don't want me to say their name, so I'm not going to show who it is. I respect it. But let's see what they picked out for me, because they didn't show me or tell me. Cool. Oh, that's nice. That's a tie-dye, guys. You see that? Tie-dye. It's tie-dye. That's nice. Thank you. See what the other one is. Oh, it's pretty. I like the colors. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, that is cool. That is cool. Let's see. What do you think, guys? That's pretty cool. I like it. Thank you. And it's real thin, so I can breathe through it. I can just use these only on here. Thank you so much. I love masks. I love this. This is great. I bet this is going to be the one I wear most of the time. Anyway, thank you. I love it. Be right back. I'm going to put it on for you. And I'm back. What do you think, guys? The new me? You like it? That's pretty cool. I like it. I wish I had better lighting, but I don't. It is what it is. But here I am. Anyway, thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe. Please ring that notification bell. Please like my video. A lot of people forget to like it, and I really like seeing the likes. Please comment and share me out. Remember, guys, I do live streams now, just to grow people's channels, and just to try to help you out. But I'll be right back. I'm going to try the other one on for you. And here's my other mask. Awesome. Thank you. I love you all. See you later. Don't forget to like.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fire.
As many of you will notice that I have changed my name back to my original name, and the reason for that is because I'm no longer able to afford the keto lifestyle of food. I'm still going to be eating as low carb as I can food. I'm still going to keep my health on track. So please, please don't worry about me. Please. Please don't forget to press that like button and please share me out. God bless all of us. I love you.